this is Rachel with Spectrum Carpet Cleaning. Today we're going to talk about our rug cleaning process. Before we do anything, we always inspect, take pictures of the rugs, and then after that they go through a whole dusting process outside where they're dusted thoroughly, front and back, with compressed air. If it's a rainy day, we do it inside. Here it is, a little bit of dust coming out of the rugs, and then there's a pile of it afterwards. If the customer requests a dry cleaning method, we can do that. This is us doing that method. It's like 1,000 little sponges. This is our rug marinating, getting all the urine out of it. We have a sink that we can kind of monitor the progress of the rug as it rinses. See how clear we can get that water. As you can see, it's a lot of pee-pee there now. And then this is actually the machine in progress, cleaning the rugs thoroughly. We also use a special type of brush on our machine. It is a hog hair brush to help with like the delicate fibers. These generally, the braided rugs are a little bit more delicate, so you have to be careful with the brush. Here it is, cleaning, flushing it out as it goes. For bleeder rugs, this is a method that we use. It's a canvas that's put on the back, and it prevents any bleeding of the rug to go through. And then this is called the centrifuge. It goes through into the rug, goes into the centrifuge, and it spins, much like your dry cycle on your washer. And here it is spinning out. We have a fresh water hose connection that goes in there, and it can spin cycle. So it's like a rinse spin cycle that we provide. And then here the rugs are hanging. We provide a nice cool breeze on them. And then dehumidifiers. Our fleer will check for any moisture to ensure the rugs are dry before we roll. And then this is our dye process. If you want it dyed a different color, let us know.